Sooner or later, the final drive of your tracked machine will need to be replaced. You'll come to the right place at Fargo Drives. But what should you consider when ordering a new final drive? And what do you need to remember when disassembling your old final drive? We'll discuss this to a greater extent in this video. Can you hear a rattling or scraping noise from your final drive? Is your final drive leaking oil, or has it stopped working completely? The probabilities are then high that the travel drive is damaged or worn. On our website, fargodrives.com, you can easily and quickly order a new final drive, where you'll also find parts. First, remove the old final drive from the machine before placing an order. While disassembling, mark the hoses of the final drive. By marking the hoses, you'll reduce the chance of the hoses being connected incorrectly on the new final drive, and therefore, damage will be prevented. Oil may leak when the hoses are released. Therefore, during disassembly, ensure there's a drip tray and sealing material. Immediately check the hydraulic system for dirt and metal residue. If you do find this, thoroughly clean your system. This will prevent damage to your new final drive. Be aware that when you buy a new final drive, the number of hours that the other final drive in your machine has operated will be the same as with regard to the final drive that broke. It may therefore be wise to also replace the other final drive. This will ensure that your machine won't stop working again soon. You can order your final drives on our website, fargodrives.com. There, you can search for suitable final drives in various ways. Use a search bar. You can search based on brand and type, dimensions of the final drive, or the OEM number. You can also receive a quote if that's what you would prefer. We'll then need a few sizes to your current final drive. Measuring is easiest when the final drive has been removed from the machine. How to measure the final drive is explained on the intake form on our website. If you have any questions after watching this video about ordering or measuring a final drive, call or email one of our staff or visit fargodrives.com for more information. Fargo Drives takes you everywhere.